Hi, welcome to the Kids Fab. Today, we are going to create a Halloween pop-up card. Before we proceed, please subscribe to the Kids Fab. Materials that we need today are 2 white cardstocks, color papers, black gel pen for drawing outline, soft pastels for coloring. You can use any coloring medium as you wish. Then a pair of scissors, a scale and glue. First, let's make the main card. Take a paper stock and fold it slightly before the center. Crease it well, then fold from the other side so that it closes properly. I'm using a white paper stock, so I will use a red color paper for the background. You can use the colored paper stock if you want. Now, for the front, I'm planning like a gate with a knife, and when you remove the knife, the card opens to show the inside of the card. Let's draw the gate. To hold the knife, take a small paper stripe and measure it with the knife so that the lengthy portion won't go inside the lock we are creating. Do the same for the other side of the gate. It holds nice. Make a strong knife so that once we have our pop-ups it can still close the card. For the inside pop-up, I have already cut out few images. The moon is going to be our first base. Take at least 1 centimeter from the bottom and fold it. Then fold the middle and cut the lower part at 45 degrees near the center. The center of both our main card and the moon should exactly match, or else it will not stand when we open the card. Like this, paste the folded edge. Paste the bats on the moon to show that they are flying over the moon. Likewise, do the same for the fence. For the pumpkins, first fold an equal size square from a small paper stripe. Paste one side of the stripe to the fence and the bottom of the paper stripe to the main card. Now, paste the pumpkin on the other side. For the spider, let's have moon as the base. Cut the paper stripe and paste like before. The spider web doesn't not a flat edge, so it's a bit difficult to paste. Bend the lower end a bit and paste it. Fold the card multiple times to check whether the images pops up correctly. Looking good. Okay, to paste the house, let's use the other crease we have created in the main card. I have already creased the bottom and cut the middle. Let's paste this. Now for the ghost, make a triangle-shaped paper stripe and paste the ghost to the house. Fold the card multiple times to check whether the images pops up correctly. That's it, our Halloween special pop-up card is ready. Hope you liked it. Happy Halloween! Until next time, bye.